What if I told you Elon Musk has been quietly working on a secret Tesla project that could completely change the future of transportation, and maybe even the world? For months, rumors have been circulating, strange prototypes have been spotted, and cryptic tweets have sent the internet into chaos. But now, new leaks are confirming what many suspected all along. Tesla's next big move is unlike anything we've ever seen before. This isn't just another car. This is something that could redefine Tesla's mission, from building electric vehicles to building the entire ecosystem of the future. Let's start from the beginning. Over the past decade, Tesla has gone from a risky startup to the most powerful car company on the planet. From the Model S that changed how we see electric performance, to the affordable Model 3 that brought EVs to the masses, and the Cybertruck that redefined what a pickup could look like, Tesla has always pushed boundaries. But behind the scenes, Elon Musk has been planning something even bigger, a secret project that insiders say has been in development for years. It's so ambitious that even within Tesla, only a handful of people know the full story. And now, the pieces are finally starting to come together. So, what is this mysterious project? Recent leaks from Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory, along with insider information from engineers, point to a new ultra-compact energy system, a modular vehicle platform that could power not just cars, but entire cities. Imagine a Tesla car that's not just transportation, it's a power station, a data hub, and an AI-driven device all in one. Sources describe it as a living machine. Built with Tesla's next-gen 4680 battery tech, it can not only store energy but share it between vehicles, homes, and even the power grid. Elon Musk has been hinting at this for years. Remember his Master Plan Part 3. He talked about a fully sustainable energy future, one where every car becomes part of a connected network. Well, this secret project seems to be the missing piece. It's reportedly codenamed Project Redwood. Project Redwood is rumored to be a next-generation Tesla platform built for autonomy, scalability, and off-grid independence. Some say it's the foundation of Tesla's upcoming $25,000 compact car, while others believe it's the architecture behind a completely new kind of Tesla product, something that bridges cars, energy, and AI. Think of it like this. Tesla isn't just making cars anymore. It's building intelligent machines that can power themselves, communicate with each other, and even generate revenue when you're not using them. Imagine your car charging itself through solar energy, then selling extra power back to the grid. Imagine fleets of autonomous Teslas that transport goods, deliver packages, or even pick you up for a ride, all powered by AI. That's the kind of future Project Redwood could unlock. But here's where it gets even more interesting. In late 2024, drone footage captured something strange near the Giga Texas site, a set of buildings unlike any other Tesla facility. Inside, satellite images revealed what appears to be a new type of assembly line, much smaller and more modular than usual. Analysts believe this could be the first microfactory for Project Redwood, a new kind of production system that can be replicated anywhere in the world. Instead of billion-dollar gigafactories, these compact factories could pop up locally, drastically cutting costs and accelerating Tesla's expansion into new markets. This would allow Tesla to produce affordable EVs for developing regions while maintaining its high-tech edge. Now let's talk design, because this new Tesla isn't just about technology, it's about accessibility. Early concept renders suggest a minimalist, futuristic compact EV, designed for both urban and rural use. It's rumored to feature solar integration, ultra-efficient aerodynamics, and a fully autonomous driving system powered by Tesla's latest FSD chip. And yes, it will likely include Starlink integration. That means your Tesla could stay connected anywhere in the world, even in the middle of nowhere. Imagine driving through remote mountains or desert highways, still streaming high-speed internet directly from space. It's not science fiction anymore, It's the world Elon Musk is quietly building right now. But here's the question everyone's asking: why the secrecy? Tesla is known for bold announcements and viral reveals, but this time, Elon is staying unusually quiet. No flashy tweets. No leaks from official channels. Industry insiders believe it's because this project ties directly into something even bigger: Tesla's upcoming robotaxi network and AI infrastructure. You see, Project Redwood isn't just a car platform, it's also a data platform. Every vehicle built on this system could serve as a node in Tesla's global AI network. While you drive, your car gathers environmental, traffic, and energy data constantly, learning and improving the network. This data doesn't just make driving safer, it makes Tesla's AI smarter than ever before. And that's crucial for the next step: full autonomy. Tesla's ultimate goal is to create a fleet of self-driving vehicles that can operate 24/7, generating passive income for their owners. Imagine your car dropping you off at work, then spending the rest of the day as a self-driving taxi. By the time you're ready to go home, it's already made you money. That's Elon's long-term vision, and Project Redwood could be the platform that makes it possible. Now, if we connect all the dots, this project also aligns with Tesla's energy division. Elon has repeatedly said that Tesla Energy will eventually be as big as the automotive business, maybe even bigger. With Redwood's new energy sharing capabilities, Tesla could dominate the decentralized energy market. Picture this: a neighborhood where every home, every car, and even streetlights are powered by Tesla batteries, all connected in one smart grid controlled by AI. It's sustainable, it's efficient, and it eliminates the need for traditional energy companies. In other words, this isn't just a new Tesla car. It's a new Tesla world. And if that sounds too ambitious, remember, we've heard that before. People said electric cars would never replace gas engines. People said Tesla couldn't survive without big automakers. Yet here we are, watching a company led by Elon Musk become one of the most valuable in history, because they keep doing what others say is impossible. So when insiders claim Tesla's next project could merge vehicles, energy, and AI into a single living ecosystem, it might sound wild. But with Elon Musk, wild ideas are often the ones that change everything. But let's take a moment to think about what this means for the rest of the world. If Tesla succeeds with Project Redwood, we could see a revolution in mobility. Imagine cities filled with smart, self-sustaining vehicles that reduce emissions, cut traffic, and run entirely on clean energy. Imagine remote villages gaining access to electricity through Tesla microgrids powered by the same tech as your car. Imagine transportation that's cheaper, faster, and smarter, all while helping the planet. That's the vision behind this secret project. It's not just about building cars, it's about building the infrastructure of the future. And Elon Musk's strategy has always been the same: start small, then scale globally. The Roadster proved EVs could be fast. The Model 3 proved they could be affordable. The Cybertruck proved they could be tough. And Project Redwood might prove that EVs can become the foundation for an entirely new kind of economy. Now let's look at the timing, because the clues are all pointing to something big coming soon. During Tesla's 2025 shareholder meeting, Elon hinted that a new product reveal could happen sooner than anyone expects. He also confirmed that Tesla has been working on its next-generation platform, and that it would change how cars are built. Combine that with multiple job listings for a next-gen vehicle program and insider reports about testing in California, and it's clear something huge is brewing. Some believe the official reveal could happen in early 2026, with production starting later that year in Giga, Texas or Mexico. And knowing Elon, it'll probably happen with one of those surprise unveil events that break the internet overnight. Now, what could the price be? If it's truly the $25,000 Tesla, This could be the final nail in the coffin for gas cars. Tesla would dominate every segment of the EV market: luxury, performance, and now affordability. But if Redwood turns out to be something even more advanced, a cross between an AI platform, vehicle, and energy device, the possibilities are endless. And here's something no one's talking about: this project could tie directly into SpaceX and Starlink. If every Tesla becomes a connected node on Earth, and every Starlink satellite connects the sky, Elon could effectively build a planet-wide digital nervous system. Every car, every battery, every signal, all part of a single intelligent network. This is where things start to feel like science fiction becoming reality. And yet, when you look at Elon's track record, from PayPal to SpaceX to Neuralink, it all makes sense. His projects are never isolated. They're all part of one massive, interconnected plan. So, maybe Project Redwood isn't just Tesla's secret project. Maybe it's the missing link between all of Elon's companies, the piece that connects energy, AI, and transportation into one unified system. One thing's for sure: when this finally gets revealed, it's going to change everything. Because Tesla isn't just making cars anymore. It's building the future.